And there is a third coaster standing in this park. It is a Pinfari. It goes by the name Scary Toys Factory. And it is not operating at all. We'll take a look at what we can see. If you want to see abandoned feeling, there you go. You can see the height measuring stick. There's your way up to the ride itself. Here is a look at the queue area. You can see it's starting to get overgrown. And then it appears I can walk right on up to it. You can see the vehicles are sitting right there on the track collecting dust. Have not had their refurbishment in who knows how long. Got the control panel right there. I mean, I do have to wonder about this ride because it was relocated and repainted in 2017. I can't imagine it's in that bad a shape, but like within the park it was. And you can see these boxes. It says Magic Toy Factory instead of Scary Toys Factory. And you can see it says True Magic over there. So you can see some of the theming elements. I mean, if you need to feel like we're in an abandoned park, I mean, I'm not going to get this credit, but you look at the gear assembly up close, and here's the chain. I'm on the ride. There's a look at the rails. And right here you can see the anti-rollback system going up to there. You know, this is probably more fun than this ride itself would actually be, to be deep within the bowels of it, analyzing the parts. Hey, I've got this thing out here. So on carnival rides, you'll see these in, but these removed. And if you see these removed, that means they're pre-sloughing. And if you see these removed, you know that it's a less safe vendor. And especially if you see these evidence of these being removed, that's a lot of evidence of an unsafe vendor, because these are going to be your safety pins. We've got the transfer track here. And I'll see if I can get into the underbelly. You can see the braking mechanism. You can see the wheels on the track. That's the anti-rollback device right there. That still works. Here you can take a look at the condition of the vehicles. I'm doing it from back here to not draw too much attention to myself being in here. Here's a look at the operator's panel. There's the e-stop. All the buttons up there. And now I'll get a shot of it from this side. It's your e-stop button. And as an example of a never in America, I did not climb any fences. I simply went through like that, completely in the park. So a little bit of urbex on Scary Toys Factory, and I'm probably gonna have that be its own separate video because, I mean, it's pretty cool to actually explore an abandoned roller coaster like that. I'm going to be marking this as an explore credit. Oh, and this ride, look, it does have a dead man's pedal right there. So the operator's foot is gonna have to be on that when the train is dispatching. And if the operator's foot is not on that, the brake is gonna clamp shut. So that's what that pedal is for those of you who are unfamiliar. So here on Scary Toys Factory, this is absolutely not operational. As you can see, this part of the ride has just ended right here. You've got a piece of track right here, which goes nowhere. And then the piece of track that's supposed to lead into it is right here. And then you've got that little angle of the track up there. And that is gonna conclude our tour here at Scary Toys Factory here at Legendia. Can't believe we were able to get that up close and personal with the ride. You can see these rails are a little rusted. Don't think this one's gonna be reopening anytime soon with the missing track and the rusted rails, but you know, that was an awesome explore. I am marking it in log ride recategorized as an explore, and that was really fun to get to do that.